I am Rachaporn Choochuey from Bangkok. I work as an architect with an office called Ozone with many other people. The name of our installation here, it's Set a Control for the Heart of the Sun. It came from the song of Pink Floyd. The idea was we would like to propose a kind of light-weight environment that could create comfort in a place like Saudi Arabia. Basically, it's a hot, dry climate that if you are under the shade, it gives you a lot of comfort without actually putting air conditioning. And it could be a nice way to be outside, exposing to more the environment, rather than being confined in an air conditioning. The structure actually very simple. We have these steel columns and beam, the smallest possible that could stand the very strong wind in this particular spot of the Biennale site. And then the roof is made out of a fabric, architectural fabric that usually used as exterior blind. We just fabricate that into a form of waffle. If you look at closely, the waffle actually can create a shape, but at the same time, you can still see the sky. And it is perforated, so at night, the heat that collects on the ground could release through the roof. The message of after rain has one particular aspect, very important, that it is related to the environmental crisis that we are facing right now. And I think we need to reconsider, rethink, try to find innovations of how we live in the world with less carbon footprint, less energy. And if you think that architecture, built environment actually carries about 40% of carbon emission in the world, I think we really need to rethink how to go on, how to live comfortably, nicely with the environment, with less energy, less material. Our installation could inspire people to see that, wow, with very simple action, light materials, we don't need to build a lot, we could be comfort under or within this environment. I'm already very happy.